Let's be honest, choosing a new LMS should be exciting. But when you hit the pricing page, it feels like you need a secret decoder ring to understand it. Terms like pay-per-seat and active users get thrown around, and you're left wondering which model won't secretly drain your budget. If you're tired of the confusing jargon and the fear of picking the wrong package, you're in the right place. We're going to cut through the noise and break down the major LMS pricing models into 4 parts so you can choose the right one with complete confidence. Part 1. User-based models. This is the most common category, but there's a critical split. Paying per registered user versus paying per active user. The pay-per-user model is like buying a monthly bus pass for every employee. You pay a set fee for every person registered in the system, whether they log in or not. This makes budgeting predictable and works well for companies with a stable number of employees who all need regular training. The catch? You can end up paying for licenses that just sit on the shelf. That's why the pay-per-active user model exists. Here, you can register unlimited people but only get billed when someone actually uses the system. This is a game changer for businesses with fluctuating user bases like seasonal hiring or customer training. The main thing to watch for is the vendor's definition of active, as a sudden spike in engagement can lead to a surprise bill. Next up is Part 2, subscription and tiered models. A subscription model is simple. You pay a regular fee, usually monthly or annually, for access to the platform, much like Netflix. This gives you predictable costs. That subscription is almost always structured using a tiered pricing model. Think of it like booking a flight. You have economy, business, and first class. As you move up the tiers, you unlock more features and higher user limits. This is great for growing businesses that can start on a lower tier and upgrade as they expand. The pitfall? You might need one premium feature but have to buy a massive, expensive package just to get it. For more specific scenarios, there are a few other models. In Part 3, we cover usage-based and ownership models. Pay-as-you-go is for those who hate commitment. You only pay for what you use, whether it's by the course or by the gigabyte of storage. This is perfect for startups or businesses that sell courses, as costs align directly with revenue. Then you have ownership models. A perpetual license is the old-school way. Pay one large fee upfront to own the software forever. You'll still have optional annual fees for support and updates. This can be cheaper over many years, but the upfront cost is steep. Finally, open-source software is technically free, but that's just for the code. You are responsible for everything else, the hosting, the setup, and the expert IT team to maintain it. Part 4. The hidden costs. Picking a pricing model is only half the battle. No matter which you choose, you have to look out for hidden costs. Watch for one-time implementation and setup fees. If you're migrating data from an old system, expect a fee for that too. Need the LMS to connect to your other software? Customization and integration almost always cost extra, and while basic support is usually included, premium 24/7 support will likely be an add-on. Always ask for a fully itemized quote. So how do you make the right call? First, know your numbers. How many users do you have and what are your must-have features? Second, match your needs to a model. Remember, for stable teams, the pay-per-user model is simple and predictable. For a fluctuating user base, pay-per-active user offers more flexibility. For a growing business, the tiered model is built to scale with you. Third, and most importantly, ask direct questions about the total cost of ownership or TCO, including setup, migration, and support fees. If you want to keep learning with us, check out our other videos here. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please like it and share it.